I read some verses related to the Sabbath breakers. This is a chapter in the Quran where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructs His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to relate a story to the Israelites in his time. One day, the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam was engaging in a conversation with those in Al-Medina. And he wanted to remind them of their forefathers, their ancestors, in how they used to transgress and violate Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's commandments in order to keep them humbled, right? Constantly boasting about how we are the chosen ones, how we are on our way to paradise. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instructed Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam to ask them about the Sabbath breakers. وَاسْأَلْهُمْ عَنِ الْقَرْيَةِ الَّتِي كَانَتْ حَاضِرَةَ الْبَحْرِ. Ask them about the village of those who were situated near the sea. These individuals, my brothers and my sisters, because of their transgression, because of violating the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decided to test them. What was this test, my brothers and my sisters? On Saturday, you are not allowed to fish. The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam is trying to awaken those who is currently residing with, those that the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam is engaging with, right? Take a lesson from your forefathers. The sins and the disbelief and the transgression and the violations is going to have a detrimental effect on you. Look at how they were impacted and be aware and awake that it could definitely happen to you.